one subscriber asking how much cost to hotel Bangkok hotel. Yes, Bangkok hotel. Yeah, Bangkok hotel. I will check now. Hello? Where reception Bangkok hotel? Reception of Bangkok. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I want to check how much room Bangkok hotel.
Ganap sa'yo, Jai.
Thank you, thank you. Good evening. Can I see room rates? Because
Yes, sir.
one my subscriber asking how much.
Okay, sir. Era na, superior siya. Tapos deluxe. Say hi there, vlog.
Thank you. Oh, good.
Deluxe.
It's good location here.
Yes, sir.
Pag-ayos ako para makatalo sa vlog.
Okay.
Hi, vlog.
It's My Life Philippines YouTube channel. Okay. You want to show?
Superior standard and deluxe only, sir, because executive is
Okay, okay, no problem. I will check. Thank you.
Sisigat ata ako dito. TikTok ko naman ako.
Are you vlogger? Are you vlogger, sir?
Yes, it's hobby.
How much your subscribers, sir?
Only 12,000. Only 1 year only.
So what your content in your vlog?
Life in the Philippines. Also in Wovoken Street. Every Friday and Saturday I walk in the Wovoken Street. Aircon, TV, Netflix I think have, yes?
Netflix? It's not Netflix, sir. It's another movie.
Another. It's for Korean, for Japanese I see.
Yes, sir. Then,
For Asian tourist. But in English have or don't have?
well,
Okay. Not need already understand. So here have safety box. Water. It's everyday maybe, yes?
it's free.
Everyday free bottle water, yes? Okay. This is standard room.
No, it's superior.
Superior room.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And have another room.
In another one, second one.
It's okay, enough this one, it's enough.
It's it.
Okay. I already know. It's for sale. Also. Shaira already sit here. So you like this chair, Shaira?
Yes, but
Okay.
chair maybe don't like.
Oh, also.
Good. This one is good.
Oh, maybe you already know where I can buy next time. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Thank you. Tricycle. Philippine tricycle. I think it's from India. Yes, it's Indian. Tok. What name?
This one is jeepney.
This is jeepney, yes. Shaira, we can go from Fields Avenue to Bangkok. Not need to use airplane, just only use jeepney. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, kuya.
This is Bangkok Hotel. Free breakfast also near our bar.